Zero throttle, hands free, let it go in the inside, crash here, just like that. So you see, when you crash these things, they just, you can just throw it down like this. They don't break. Making a snap roll, trying to control. I'm still in control of manual mode. I got the skills, man. I got the skills. Let's fly it like you stole it, with elevator, aileron, and rudder mixing. Yeah, look at that. Because you can like, oops, I dropped it. Oh, sorry, no problems. You'll pick it up, increase the throttle, throw it, and it goes. But that was another roll right here. Look, now one of my hand is completely free, and I'm just flying it with one hand only. That shows you it's complete manual. There goes the loop. Now apologies, they are hard to see, but I just have this camera. What a smooth landing, man. What a smooth landing. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Greetings, Ali Sharma here. Welcome outdoors and welcome to the flight of the new version of VolantexRC Warbird series Mini RC airplanes. These are the Mini Warbird series Mini RC airplanes from VolantexRC, and I have the new version of F4U Corsair in my hand. So let's fly it, but before that, let me give you a quick closer look at it and see what has improved, and then we'll fly it and see how it performs. All right, let's take a closer look at the F4U Corsair from VolantexRC. This is the new version. Let's see what has improved. The detail wise, it's still very detailed, very nice build. It's a 4-channel aircraft running a 3.7 volt battery. Basically all these mini Warbirds from VolantexRC, they run on 3.7 volt single cell battery. Now notice on F4U Corsair, on the front you have 3-blade propeller this time, a very scaled propeller, so it actually adds the realism to the plane. Also notice transparent canopy with the pilot inside. Say hello to him, he's gonna see some action. I wish that they had, you know, later you can actually print a sticker of your own and put yourself in that place, like you are the pilot. Under the plane, installing the landing gear is very easy. It's just this mechanism which locks the landing gear inside. No screw needed, no glue needed. So this has improved a bit, I would say, compared to previous versions. Still, I see that piece is glued inside. I hope it won't come out on hard crashes. Basically, these are very durable Mini RC Warbirds. You can crash them, you can run them straight into the wall. Normally, nothing actually breaks, and the propeller will come out as soon as it hits the ground, so to save the motor and propeller. So this is a patented mechanism from VolantexRC. All right, so nothing much to see. Let's power it up and let's fly it and see how it goes. Okay, F4U Corsair is ready. Let's fly it and see how it goes. Armed. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In basic mode, that is beginner mode. Very smooth takeoff. Flying at low speeds. Here comes the whistling death. That's what they used to call this plane, right? Beautiful stance. Sounds very nice as well. Pretty quiet, man. Look at that. Yeah, it sounds like a radial engine when powers up, right? Like when you increase the throttle. Beautiful, yeah. Somewhere it does sound like a radial engine. Those gears, you know, because it's running geared motor. Oh, one tire, one wheel touch and go. Beautiful, man. Now what I'm feeling on this, because I put the battery in laying formation, like laying stance, so probably it's slightly nose heavy, so it doesn't pitch the nose up when you are coming for a low pass or landing. Look at that. It doesn't pitch the nose up, which is actually good for making landings. Let's give it a try. Slowing down. No, that was a beautiful pass. I really wanted to do that pass. Hold on, because it was coming very close to me. So I'm just gonna go a little higher than that tree. Make a turn. Zero throttle. Pitch the nose down. Beautiful landing, man. Look at that. That was really nice landing. Okay. Let's fly it like you stole it. With elevator, aileron, and rudder mixing. Yeah, look at that. I can do this all day long, man. It's hard to shoot this pilot down if a pilot can do these figure eights. Man, what a beautiful flyer. And I can tell you once again, just like P-51, if I set the throttle right, I can basically fly it with one hand. Look, now one of my hand is completely free, and I'm just flying it with one hand only, holding the radio against my belly. So hands free now. Look at that. Very stable plane. Basically all these VolantexRC planes are really stable, man. Very, very stable. Now apologies, they are hard to see, but I just have this camera. What a smooth landing, man. What a smooth landing. I just have this camera, so right now I cannot give you zoom shots. Maybe later I will bring Mary out when she has time, and she can use that zoom camera to give you some better shots. But overall you can see how beautiful this bird is flying, man. Now let's install it and see how it goes. So I'm just gonna go slightly here, slightly higher, make it turn, and zero throttle, leave the radio completely like this. Look at that. And it's stalling. Don't go to the riverside. No, don't go to the riverside. It will be difficult for me to pick it up if it went to the riverside. So let's just come this way. Okay, if it goes into flowers, that's fine. So completely down. Okay, this is what you saw. It went really far. I wanted to do this close, this crash, so that you can see it, but I went a little far. No worries, no worries. We still have time to do more tests. Hold on. So notice the propeller has come off. Okay, and I'm just gonna install the propeller, increase the throttle, and throw it. There you go. Super easy to fly once again, and it's flying like nothing happened. I'm gonna stall it right before me, right here. Yes, so hands-free, it came down just like this. Sorry, I didn't have much time to show you the radio, but it was completely hands-free. Once again, one moment, another stall. This time let's do the stall from this side where the wind is coming from behind the plane. So let's see which way it will go. At this height, zero throttle, hands free, let it go in the inside, crash here, just like that. So you see, when you crash these things, they just, you can just throw it down like this. They don't break. This is by far the best thing about these planes, because you can like, oops, I dropped it. Oh, sorry, no problems. You'll pick it up, increase the throttle, throw it, and it goes. This is the best thing about these planes. They are super durable. And not just that, they are super fun to fly as well. Look at that. What a beautiful landing, man. So, hand launch. Man, what a sweet and instant response from Xpilot. So, I'm gonna come back, switch to intermediate mode, Not much difference. Xpilot is still alive, but you see on the turns, you will notice how fast it actually turns. Look at that. Makes a very, very quick turn compared to the basic version. I mean basic flight mode, sorry, not basic version, basic flight mode. It makes a very quick turn, as you have just watched again. Look at that. Pitches the nose up very quick. I don't know if it is some kind of programming in it or what, but I'm feeling it's just when I want to make turn, it just pitches the nose up a little and makes a quick turn with a very little input from my side. And complete manual. This is complete manual. I'm controlling it. Uh-oh. Yeah, you can see the tumbling around. That shows you it's complete manual. There goes the loop. And of course I'm going to the trees. I cannot see it, no visibility, so I switched to intermediate mode. And now one roll. I don't know if you saw it, but that was another roll right here. Switch to intermediate mode. Whoa. Switch to intermediate mode. It went berserk right there, but switching to intermediate mode, immediately I got the control back. And this is fun. Hold on. Coming back here, switching to manual mode, making a roll, making a snap roll, trying to control. I'm still in control of manual mode. I got the skills, man. I got the skills. So I wasn't expecting that I will be able to fly this F4U Corsair in manual mode, but you see, if I pay attention to the stick movements, stick controls, I can basically fly it pretty smooth. It's still in manual mode, I can tell you that. That was the low altitude loop I could ever do. Not loop, roll, sorry. Bad crash, and I actually broke the propeller. Oh, this time bad crash, and I actually broke the propeller and broke the got the landing wheels out. That was a high-speed smackdown, which is a good thing to happen, because now hold on. Oh, that's not mine, sorry. This is the propeller. I have one spare in my bag in my car. I can easily fix it, and I have to fix these landing gears. Yeah, it is a good thing that they have now got these mechanisms to install the landing gear, but at a very hard crash, you see the glue does come off. Okay, check this out. New propeller, just, you know, snap fit. And my glue tube that I had put in my bag, it's a few years old, so it's dried, and I didn't have glue. So what I did, I put a double-sided tape under both of these landing gears, okay, and stick it, and then put another double-sided tape, which is, I have only double-sided tape now, on top of it, so just to secure it properly. And now, as you can see, I'm putting the battery in, and let's see if tech season takes off or not. Here we go. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Man, don't you just love the VolantexRC Mini Warbird series planes? These are indestructible, man. Look how hard the crash was in that manual flight mode. I was coming full speed, doing some aerobatics, and I just BAM! You know, smashed it in the ground. This is the first time I said, nah, not first time, sorry. This is about the third time I have broken a propeller on VolantexRC Mini Warbirds. And that was a smash. That was a nice smash, man. But look at that. I mean, I fixed the landing gears. Just, you have to glue them or tape them, change the propeller. And look at that, your beautiful bird is in the air, just like nothing happened. And this is something, a quality that every beginner pilot needs in an RC he or she is going to invest, because crashing, repairing, buying parts is something you don't want. These just need glue, tape, and a spare prop if you have broken it. Otherwise, mostly the propeller will simply come off, and most of the time it will not break. But in case you break it, you do have a spare with you. And a third propeller, which is a 2-blade propeller, stock 2-blade propeller, the plane comes packed in the box with. So you basically have 3 propellers, indestructible, durable plane, super fun to fly, or just relax and fly for your relaxing time, relaxing RC hobby time. And you can even install FPV on these birds and enjoy FPV. Okay, that was a bad landing, but hey, it just proved that even the tape can hold the landing gears properly. So yes, I was saying, let's continue to make that landing. You can also put an FPV on it and enjoy flying relaxing FPV flights on these birds. So basically all you need to do is low pass, cut down the throttle, and it will land beautifully. So people, thank you very much for watching this video. I believe I have proved my points through this straightforward, honest video review. I did not cut any crashes in this. I have shown everything as it happened, and I've shown how easy this thing is to put back together and then start flying it, start having fun once again. Once again, thank you very much, VolantexRC, for releasing this beautiful Warbird series, mini Warbird series on your website, from your company. And these are simply absolutely 2 thumbs up model, a must have for all Warbird lovers. These should be in your fleet. Stay tuned for more videos coming your way soon. Let me know in video comments what do you think of these planes, and let me know if you want to see more of these Warbirds on my channel. Of course, VolantexRC don't just have P51s and F4U Corsairs. They have a whole lot more Warbirds on their website. Go ahead, check out, link is in video description. I'll be happy to post more of these mini Warbirds and mini airplanes videos and series on my channel. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button, it's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button right there. Come on, don't be shy, just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right